All right, ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Airspeed's alive. Engine instruments look good.
Nice.
All right. 70 knots. Road safe. And we're airborne.
So how high is this right here?
We're just approaching 2,000 feet.
Wow.
So that's still it's still pretty low.
Oh yeah. I feel like I never even knew that was there before.
Alpha India Quebec Tower, you may see Seneca traffic holding at the Binbrook NDB at 4,500.
Okay, we're looking out for the traffic. Alpha India Quebec.
November Mike Victor Tower, simulated localizer runway 30 approaches approved, maintain VFR at all times, and descend not below 4,000 feet for now. I'll advise for lower reference that traffic that's just coming up to your 11 o'clock, 1 mile.
Okay, not below 4,000, and we'll wait for your call. Thanks, November Mike.
All right, here's 3,000.
Alpha India Quebec Tower, previously mentioned Seneca traffic, 11 o'clock, 1 mile, opposite direction, descending 4,500 for 4,000 feet.
Okay, we're still negative on the traffic, Alpha India Quebec.
November Mike Victor Tower, do you have the Cessna 172 at your 10 o'clock, 1 mile, southeastbound, 3,500?
That's negative. We're looking for November Mike Victor.
November Mike Victor Tower, as long as you stay on that heading, I can bring you down to 3,000 feet and then bring you back in. You're slightly faster than him, so it's going to be a little tricky to wait till you get on final.
Okay, we'll stay on this heading. We'll go down to 3,000 for November Mike Victor. We'll keep looking for the traffic.
November Mike Victor Tower, Roger, is now coming up to your 10 o'clock, 1 mile, almost your 9 o'clock.
Okay. It's going to be right here. So.
Okay, we're looking.
Alpha India Quebec Tower, the Seneca traffic off your right-hand side, 4 o'clock, 1 mile southeastbound, slightly faster than you. He's descending from 4,000 feet to 3,000 feet. Confirm you're going to hold that heading for a bit?
Yeah, we're looking for him, and yes, we will hold this heading, Alpha India Quebec. Yep.
There's one there, but...
Oh, and Tower, we have the traffic inside, Alpha India Quebec.
Alpha India Quebec Tower, Roger. Once he's below you, he's going to be turning inbound on the approach.
Okay, Roger, Alpha India Quebec. We'll maintain this heading and altitude. Yeah. Descending?
Alpha India Quebec Tower, Roger.
Descending, he's going to come.
November Mike Victor Tower, the Cessna has you in sight. There were 2 on at once. Were you one of them?
We were one of them for November Mike Victor.
And November Mike Victor Tower, you've got him in sight now?
Come on, I'm right here.
We lost him. Sorry about that.
November Mike Victor Tower, not a problem. You're well below him now, almost 500 feet below him, and he's well off your left-hand side.
Oh, yeah.
So heading your discretion, turn inbound your discretion, and he said he's going to keep that heading and altitude for a while.
Okay, roger that for November Mike Victor.
Yes. How does he not see
Alpha India Quebec Tower, previously mentioned traffic, lost you. He doesn't have you in sight anymore, but he is beneath you, 2,900. Confirm you still have him in sight?
That's affirmative. We still have him in sight, Alpha India Quebec.
Alpha India Quebec Tower, Roger. Surveillance services terminated. Heading your discretion and change en route. Advise when you're back inbound.
Roger, Alpha India Quebec, and we'll talk to you guys on the way back.
Roger.
I'm gonna turn this way. He's well below us.
Yeah, he's pretty much right there now.
Yeah, he's way below us now.
They're really low for that coming.
Yeah. I see him.
Probably still doesn't see us. This is amazing. Kind of just forget about everything when you're up here.
Yeah.
It all seems a little bit smaller.
Just observe everything.
Yeah.
You really get a good perspective of everything.
Yeah.
It's like high, but it's not too high.
Yeah.
There it is. There's your hometown.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I grew up right on pretty much on the Welland River.
Oh, right.
Nice. Right by the Penn Center.
Oh, okay.
Nothing like Joe's scenic tours. Sick.
Nice. So we're gonna go over Rainbow Bridge and cut a little over the US side to the Horseshoe Falls.
Cool.
And depending, we may go back for another round, or we can just depart straight out.
Right on. I'm in no rush.
Alrighty.
See how the states are doing.
So we don't get shut down. Don't get shot down. Trump's still in the White House as we speak. Biden may have won. Trump's still in the White House.
70 something days to go.
Yep. Alright, I got the Rainbow Bridge in sight.
Wow.
You probably won't be able to see it, but right in front of me.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can see it.
Oh, there you go, yeah.
Got a lot of length on you.
Yep.
All the little people.
Oh, look at all the lonely people. Oh, look at all the lonely people. Do-do-do-do.
What did they add there recently again? Like a, what do you call it? You go down a
Zip line.
zip line, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and the racetrack too. I think that's pretty new.
Oh yeah, that's fairly new.
I don't see anybody else.
Yeah, that's good. I don't see anyone else. I don't hear anyone else. Got this whole area to ourselves today, and it's a nice, smooth day.
Yep.
Let's make another pass.
Good.
It calls for another one. Need FaceTiming? Oh,
Yeah.
fuck.
I doubt he'll pick up. He's probably working. Hey, how's it going, Matt?
Hey, buddy. Flip the camera. Flip the camera. Flip the camera. Oh.
Oh yeah, I showed him.
Oh.
He saw it. It just must have been not enough reception. They had him. I'm surprised he picked up.
Yeah. Abby.
I know. I'm gonna FaceTime her.
Abby, you missed
She's
out.
probably working. Oh! Look at this. That's the falls. 1 sec. I can't hear you. Hi. Oh, my baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
And she's probably like, oh, I hope they're alive.
I was about to take both hands off the controls and be like, hey.
It'll be like, they were going down. On the
Hey, you want to hold on to it for a bit?
Yeah.
All right.
November, Mike Victor, Roger, no protecting traffic, sir.
Oh, this is...
Hold that. Hold that.
I got it. Hey.
November Oscar Charlie, clearing the zone southwest 3000.
Look
November,
at
Oscar
that.
Charlie,
Very
Roger.
natural, man.
Oh, I love it.
Dude, you should go get your pilot's license. What the hell?
No, it makes me want to. Don't tempt me.
It's really just like riding a bike.
Oh, yeah. So surprised I caught Abby between patients.
Yeah. I was surprised too, unless she was in the middle of one.
Hold on 1 second.
And Tower Alpha, Indy Quebec is left base, runway 24, turning final.
Alpha Indy Quebec, Tower Roger, thank you. Continue number 1.
Number 1 for 24 Alpha, Indy Quebec.